Hey fams, welcome to another moment with Nwakama, the certified relationship and love mentor. If you're new, I want to especially welcome you. This is healhty TV Academy, and this is audio coaching under the healhty TV Academy. I also want to encourage you to please subscribe to this channel. Also turn on your notification button to get notified on each time we do a post. Today we have a topic under health and lifestyle, which is fruit nuts mixed with yogurt. This is one healthy meal you can have probably at night. You don't really want to take something heavy. This is good for you. But before I proceed, we'll take a short break and I'll be back shortly, so you stay tuned. Welcome back. For you to have a very sweet meal with fruit nuts mixed with yogurt, then I'm going to be giving you some recipe that will really help you. All you need is to get your plate, your spoon, get your fruit mix, the nuts mix, then get your yogurt, a very fresh yogurt at that. And for the fruit nuts mix, these are the combinations. You can see banana, coconut, and all of that. So when you get your yogurt, you mix the yogurt in that particular cup, then you put in your fruit nuts mix into it. Then you can have some bowl of coconut where you already chopped the coconut. Then you pour the coconut in it and mix it. Now this is very healthy. Now for the yogurt is a dairy product that contains vitamins, protein and calcium, and it is very good for the body because it will protect your body from bacteria. Also for the nut is also very good for your blood vessels because it contains vitamin E. It also helps and keep the brain healthy, same as the coconut. But in a very short clip, I'll tell you how to mix this. So you just watch this clip now. You get your yogurt, you also get your plate, you put some quantity into the plate, then you carry your diced coconut, you put it inside, make sure you put in all, then you get your fruit mix nuts, you put it in and you mix it to your taste. Now this is good for you, but if you know that you really want to try this, yes, please try this and tell us what you think about this. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel, like this post, share it with others you know. It could help. There are so many people out there that really want to know this. Subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification button, also follow us up on all of our social media platforms. I love you. Bye bye. We have a lot more videos via playlist, so I want to encourage you to go through the playlist and watch a lot more videos. I love you. Bye bye.